Today we're putting the engines back in Eagle 3 in the Bertram 35. Look at that. They have been, I'll show you the other one because it's a bit easier to see. And here's the engine up on the ute. Look at that, awesome. So they've painted up. They did the injector pump, injectors have been done. Obviously all the filters have been done, but you know, a bit of attention to detail. They've given it a bit of painted up some areas. But they've also left all these nice and black and clean. No overspray on the hoses, which we like. And then coming around this side, there we go. Oh, it's a good thing they marked it up. You wouldn't want to get that mixed up, would you? Alright, and here's our crane, getting ready to go into the yard. And there she is. We take this tent down and get this crane in here. Oh, it's a bit of a mess at the moment, but we're going to clean all that up in a heartbeat. Alright, so here we are, splash day for Eagle 3. Project not completely finished yet, but what we're going to do is we're going to do the rest of it in the water, obviously. So you can see the hole in the back there. The doors are nearly finished. So we've got those rear doors, all that's been done. You can see that awesome new rear platform that's been done there. The guys from Stephen Jamison from AIM getting off the boat there for the moment from AIM Electrical. And yeah, the guys getting ready to put the straps in. Get the straps underneath the boat. Once it's up out of the lifted, then they've got to do the little bits of anti-foul where the props are, where the pads are, and then yeah, should be going back in the water. So we're just waiting on Mariner Engineering now, and a couple of others. We have a cast of thousands. We'll have a few people here to once the boat goes back in the water, engineers to check the startup, skin fittings, all that sort of thing. Here we have the awesome Eagle 3 going through her last stages of her latest fit out. You see that awesome swim platform there the lads have built, and then they've done a double door back through there, swing doors at the back, and then Steve's in there doing the system, and then our stereo system, sorry. Right, I'm going to be biased and say that's the best looking 35 Bertram, 1983 Bertram on Port Phillip Bay at the moment. Alright, here we are, Sandringham Yacht Club, and we are, last day, Eagle 3, project done. Look at that. Awesome rear doors, swim platform. Got the barbie out at the moment. And then, yeah, let's just have a look. Oh, here we are. Here we go. Got the new whiz bang Raymarine screen in there. We've still got the old switches. We've done, Steve's done a huge job on giving us all new panel. Just doing the last little bits and pieces. And yeah, we're about to go back and deliver her to her owner. Look at those back doors, they're awesome. Look at that big catch. I'll show you how this works, guys. You go like this. That opens out that way, locks onto a magnet there. Then this one, great little system, comes around here, locks onto there. Pop that back in there, and there we have a massive rear door. You just get that straight through look as you come up the stairs. You're just looking straight out the back of your boat.